Okay, you fanatics, welcome back to Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply fertilizer spikes. Now, I've done a video about this before. I'll link that at the end of this video. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a power drill to simplify everything. Okay, guys, here we are in fall, and a lot of times it's best to, I always say fall is the beginning of your season. A lot of guys wait to spring, but if you get this stuff down now and you get your roots healthy, your lawn will be lush, your shrubs will be more colorful come spring. All right, in the area behind me, guys, you can see it's full of leaves, all this and that. The good thing about this video is that you do not have to remove all the leaves and all that good stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do this process. It's only going to take a few minutes. Okay, you're fanatics. Look, this is very simple. The only thing you're going to need is your drill with the chuck system on it, an auger. Now, I bought this right here at, I think it was Ace. All right, this is a 30-inch auger. All right, basically it just drills in and it attaches to the basic drill bit right there. And I think the width is about 1.75 inches, something like that. All right, guys, here's the fertilizer spikes right here. Now, one thing I want to show you is when you buy these fertilizer spikes, and guys, it's non-sponsored. I don't care what brand you buy, I'm just using these. This is, look at the guaranteed analysis. That is a 15-5-10 right there. Guys, I'm gonna show you about this. This is a basic 10-10-10 fertilizer. I'm gonna show you something different with that right there. But guys, all you need to do is to see how long your spike is. Make sure that's about how far you need to drill down. Maybe make 1 to 3 inches longer, so you could drill your hole and you simply just drop this in. And when you get it, the directions on these spikes basically say dig a hole with a little spade, take the shovel, put this on the end of it like that, beat it down in the ground. All right, I have a video for this right here. The link will be at the end of this video and it will be in the description. But guys, this is a faster way of doing this process right here. So let me show you something. Okay, you're a fanatic. So one thing you need to see right here is the chuck system on your drill right here, guys. So basically you just take this and hopefully you guys can see this. Let me make sure. Okay, yeah, you take this, you stick this in here right here. All right, screw your chuck down. All right, make sure it's in there tight. Once you get in there, make sure you tighten it all the way up. You hear it clicking? And that's it. One thing I want you to see guys, when you're doing this, make sure that you start off with it on the low settings. Don't go for high settings. And another thing, when you're using it, it may kick back, so you're going to have to use both hands. They actually have a hammer drill attachment that you can put onto it. Make sure that the soil is moist. Don't do this to super hard soil, because if it kicks back, it's going to tear your wrist up. I swear it's going to tear it up. So let's get over here and let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, you fanatics. One thing I want you to know, guys, always put your safety gloves on. Make sure that you have hearing protection and some eye protection right there. All right, guys, what I want to show you, you see I've already kind of pulled back these little areas, made areas where I'm gonna drill, and mainly it's around the drip line. Guys, this video is not about how to space it, all this and that. That'll be on the directions of the fertilizer spikes that you buy. This video is just simply showing you how to use an auger that you can attach to your drill gun to drill and to drop those plugs or those spikes down in it. Now, I have a secret that I've been using. If you don't or cannot get fertilizer spikes, or you don't want to spend that type of money because it can get quite expensive, your 10-10-10 or 8-10-10 or whatever fertilizer that you have, specifically designed for trees and shrubs. Do not use lawn fertilizer for this technique that I'm going to show you with that. Make sure it's a 10-10-10 or 8-10-10. Make sure that that fertilizer says for shrubs and trees. All right, guys, what you need to do is this. Okay, you're fanatics. And what I want to show you is this, guys. Before you get started on this, all right, I'm gonna put this back like this. Come and make sure you pull back. Don't take your drill and just go straight into pine straw or mulch. Here's why. You see right there, I have a landscape wire right there. That's because I got landscape lighting running throughout the property. So you don't want to tear your wire up because it's going to be a headache. So what you do is pull back. All right, make sure that you don't have any wires around here, anything, any rocks, anything in the way. Guys, this ground needs to be somewhat moist. I'm not going to say wet, but you don't want to drill into super hard surfaces, because if you, once that drill catches something hard and it kicks back and you don't have the hammer drill attachment on there, you can hurt your wrist. Make sure that the drill is on the lowest setting before you go in here, guys. Don't have it on high, even though it's tempting. Make sure it's on low so it can drill its way in there. And remember, you're drilling down in there. You don't have it on reverse where you're trying to pull dirt back until you get down in there. So you're going straight down. Then once you get where you want to be, then put in reverse, pull back, get the dirt out the way. Okay, y'all, so now here we are, like I said, this nice fall weather. And here's the spot right here. Hopefully you can see that right there. And guys, this is the spike. See that? Guys, it's real simple. I'm gonna put the spike down. And you can drill this straight up, or you can drill it at an angle, whatever makes you feel good. All right, drilling it at an angle will allow that water to run down in there. If it rains, drilling it straight up, it'll still get in there, so it doesn't matter. But I like to catch it at an angle. And I like to put it up against my knee right here, as you can see. So guys, make sure it's on the slow setting. And you want to start off slow. Don't go at it real fast because you don't want to catch. Now, as you can see, starting to go down in there. Guys, make sure you hold this thing, all right, so it won't kick back. Then just go ahead and put it in reverse. And you can pull that dirt that's in there out of there. All right, so we got that clear. And guys, I want to bring you down into the firestorm. Let you see what I'm talking about. See that right there? Guys, it's that simple. Take your spike, drop it in there. It's just that simple. Take your dirt, cover it back up. Now, obviously I need to go a little bit deeper, so let's go a little bit deeper. All right, so we're gonna catch it, make sure ain't no wires in the way. All right, we got that hole dug right there, guys. And then we'll simply just take our lawn, we'll simply just take our tree and shrub fertilizer, pour it in that hole, guys. And like I said, this is probably about 3 inches deep. Once you do that, cover that little hole up, put the pine straw back on top of it. Okay, y'all, for next, like I said, simple video, nothing hard about it. I just want to show you guys there are other ways to put down those fertilizer spikes. And guys, this is part of maintaining the entire lawn. All right, once you do the lawn, you got to take care of your trees, shrubs, and your bushes. These things enhance the way your lawn will look in the long run. So guys, if you're interested in total lawn care, guys, not only the grass but the trees, shrubs, bushes, all that good stuff, guys, make sure you click that subscription button, ring that notification bell. Every time BYD uploads a video, you will be notified by YouTube. Guys, if you found that video interesting, make sure you click here. Guys, this video will teach you all about using that drill. Hopefully you'll watch my last video. Merch is always available. Once again, you're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.